हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है, अन एसी सोर्स दिया हुआ है, उसकी ओमेगा दी गई है, इज कनेक्टेड अक्रॉस अ सर्किट एंड द फेज डिफरेंस बिटवीन ईएमएफ एंड करंट दिया हुआ है पाई बाई 4। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले इस फिगर को देखते हैं। इस फिगर को देखिएगा तो करंट का जो फेजर है, देखिए राइट, ये करंट अगर दोनों का फेजर बनाए तो राइट, तो लेट अस टेक दिस टाइम इज t1 सपोज, एंड दिस टाइम राइट, जब राइट ईएमएफ जब अपना एक्सट्रीम पोजीशन पे जा रहा है तब उस टाइम को T2 ले लेते हैं। ठीक है, तो करंट का जो एक्सट्रीम है राइट, ये सपोज कीजिए करंट का फेजर है, एक्सट्रीम पे पहुंच गया और ये टाइम T1 है राइट। ओके, और जो वोल्टेज है उसका फेजर एक्सट्रीम पे पहुंचा है, वो टाइम T2 है। तो यहाँ से आप देख सकते हो T1 इज स्मॉलर देन T2। तो यहाँ से बोल सकते हैं कि राइट, सिंस T1 इज स्मॉलर देन T2 तो करंट का फेजर जो है एक्सट्रीम पे पहले पहुंचा है। तो यहाँ से बोल सकते हैं जो करंट का फेजर जो है वो लीड कर रहा है और जो ईएमएफ का फेजर जो है लैग कर रहा है। तो यहाँ से बोल सकते हैं द करंट इज आई इज लीडिंग एंड द ईएमएफ इज लैगिंग। सो राइट, सो अगर इसका हम फेजर डायग्राम बनाए राइट, एसी सर्किट का, और करंट के फेजर को अगर मैं यहां रखूं, तो सिंस आई फेजर इज लीडिंग from the EMF phasor and that is evident from the figure, so I can say the EMF phasor will go something like this, and it is given in the question that the phase difference is pi by 4, so this angle will be pi by 4 and this is the phasor of EMF. Okay, now it is saying if the circuit consists of only RC, RL and LC circuit then find the relationship between two elements. अब देखते हैं इन तीनों में से कौन सा सर्किट हो सकता है। अगर RC सर्किट रहे तो क्या हो सकता है, देखिए इफ RC सर्किट राइट, तीनों को वन बाय वन देख लेते हैं। तो RC सर्किट में R ऐसे जाएगा एंड XC, all of you know the XC will be 1 upon right, XC will be 1 upon omega C, and this is your minus, you say right, XC is minus 1 upon omega C, so for the capacitor it will go something like this, 1 upon omega C, so the impedance will go something like this. Okay, so this is the direction of impedance here, and in the direction of impedance only I will write the EMF phasor is there, so EMF will also go in the same direction. So in direction only EMF there. Okay, so if the RC circuit is there, so this is the case. Okay, so RC circuit is possible. Let us try to see RL circuit now. If suppose the figure is RL circuit, so obviously the right, the R will go like this, right, and for the case of inductor, right, the XL is equal to omega L. So omega L will go up. So this is your omega L. So here the impedance will go something like this. So if the impedance is going in this way, so EMF will also go in this direction. Okay. So since we are seeing this case is not possible, so RL circuit is not possible. Right. Similarly, you can see the LC circuit also. If you take the LC circuit, right, if I take the LC circuit, okay, so once again in the LC circuit also, right, XC is equal to, right, C, the XC is equal to 1 upon omega C, that is minus, so this will go something like this, 1 upon omega C, and XL will be 1, right, omega L, that is positive, so omega L will go like this. So right, so whichever is greater, here the right, if the omega L is greater, so the EMF will go here. If the 1 upon omega C is greater, so the EMF will go in this direction. So whatever the case is there, the angle will be 90 degree. So this case is not possible because here in the question the angle is given pi by 4. So only possible case is this one, RC circuit. All right. Okay. Now I can see in this circuit it is saying the angle between I, right, the angle between I and EMF going to be pi by 4. So I will be here, okay, and this angle is pi by 4 here. Okay, so let us see here this EMF and R. So right, this angle is pi by 4, so you can easily say, okay, this is R, so this length will be 1 upon omega C, And this right angle triangle, you can say there, this is 45 degrees, so this will also be 45. So from this figure I can say R will be equal to 1 upon omega c. So from here I can say R is equal to 1 upon omega c. So from here I can say RC will be equal to 1 upon omega, and omega is given in the question, that is 100. So I will say here 1 upon 100. So let us see which option is coming. Okay, if we'll see the option number A, R is given 1000 K and this is your this. So let us try to find the RC here. So R will be 1000 and this will be 10 into 10 raised to power minus 6, right? I'm just change the color here because, okay, so this will become your 10 raised to power minus 3. Okay, so this option is not coming, right? Let us try to see this option. Okay, so this is your 1000, sorry, this is your, sorry, this is 1000, right? This is my mistake, right? The resistance is 1000, so this will become 1000 here into 10 raised to power minus 6. So this is coming 4 and this is going 10 power minus 2. So obviously I think option 1 will come. So option A is correct because here it is 10 power minus 2. Okay, so RC value in this one is coming 10 power minus 2. So obviously option A is matching here. So option A is correct. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.